Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to invite you to join Carrie at InkpadsPlaypad and I for a challenge we put out every now and again. It's been a couple years, I think, to join us for a Crissy collab, our challenge. We're doing the collab to invite you to do the challenge. I'm getting my girl's hair. She was a mess. I got her all cleaned up. You can use any kind of curler that you have around for these dolls. And I need a smaller curler for the top. And you want to, at the top, you want to go under, take your curlers under or sideways, which is what I'm going to do is sideways. But the bigger curls, you can do those banana curls by wrapping, let's grab a curler here, wrapping around. These dolls are almost indestructible. I'm telling you, these are ideal dolls put out in the 70s. You can find them in antique malls or garage sales. Just take a little bit of hair because it's quite a bit. And by the time you wrap it around that curler, it's going to be a lot of hair. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to banana curl this, and that is I'm taking it kind of sideways, and I'm wrapping the bottom of her hair under this hair, the next layer, so that it doesn't stick up and become straight. And then after that, you slowly move that down the curler, pulling it outward so that, we're going to have to go back around those ends. Let's see. Come on, Crissy, stand still. She's kind of shaking here too. And then I'm going to have to cover that with the, take it all the way up to the scalp. Cover that like so. And I let my doll hair sit. 24 hours usually covers it, but if it takes longer than that, so what? Where are they going? Darren made these curlers for me. I love them. He made these for my miniature AG. I'm going to show you how to use a smaller curler up top. You can use a big curler just to give it a little bit of body. But what you want to do is take it sideways, not forward. And you want to wrap that under the hair coming around so that it stays under. If I can, my hands are so big anymore. And then, I didn't get this ready. If you take a bobby pin, you do not see me using my teeth on this.
She's trying to get it tight now and having troubles. Too small and the first curl's in the way.
Mm-hmm. And I had that in my mouth.
That's why I was trying to narrate for you.
I appreciate it.
Poorly, but still.
When you put your bobby pin in, you put it as close to the head as you can from the bottom up. Put it this way, gravity might empty that out. I'm going to do her whole hair, and you join us on May 15th at 10 a.m. Central. That's May 15th, 10 a.m. Central. Carrie from InkpadsPlaypad and I will be hosting the Crissy Challenge. Bring out all of your Crissy family dolls. We would love to see your collection. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'll be standing her curling for quite a while. Please go by and see Carrie's video today, her invitation video. And thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.